Good morning. Sorry, it is now good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone.
ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How is Salidya doing? Good afternoon, beta.
Ma'am, nice hours.
Good. So what C has in sixth period?
Ma'am, English literature. Surabhi ma'am.
That's a Surabhi ma'am's class.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, but today we are not moving according to our timetable.
No, we are going according to timetable only, but the activity classes have been, merged with the teaching classes.
This is not fair, ma'am.
Why? What you will do in the activity in the online class? Tell. Tell. What will you do in the activity? Huh?
It would be a nice break.
So fine. Will not do the study thing. We'll do the activity of the chapters only. Let it be a this thing.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Saksham. Let it be a
Good afternoon, ma'am.
fun
Good
class.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Let it be a fun class only, no? Right? Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. After this, one more class to go, right?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Divyansh. Good afternoon. Let everyone join, then we'll start, okay?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Harshit.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Shivansh. Good afternoon.
Online classes 14th January.
Nahi. As of now, only for today we have these online classes. You will be informed, don't worry. You will be informed.
Tomorrow there will be holiday for
Tomorrow
1st January.
For 1st January, you will enjoy. Go to temple, go to your friends.
Ma'am, no online class.
Tomorrow, no online class. Tomorrow is a holiday.
Okay.
Right? Okay.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Parush. So what did you do? Since morning classes
afternoon.
only? Good afternoon. Huh?
Ma'am, just classes.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
What about the snacking and all? Snacks? Mama is not giving snacks?
Yes, ma'am, 10. When there was
My mother is out of station.
Achha, so you are all alone at home, Divyansh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, with my aunt.
Okay. So your auntie must be feeding you, properly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the plus point of online classes. No, you can have your meals in between, keeping the camera off, right, Sanidhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, but not on New Year.
Not on?
Ma'am, New Year days, ma'am.
New Year day, of course, you won't be having class. Don't worry. You will not have your class. I am sharing the screen with you all. I have selected few.
And the online class is just for today only.
As of now, for today only, beta.
Okay.
I am sharing the screen with you all. Some activities I have. So let us have those activities, right? Give me a minute. Chalo, I am sharing the screen with you all. Fine. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now this map that you can see, you have to tell the names of the places which are marked here for the lowest and highest rainfall. Is the map clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Do it.
Ma'am, we have to write it on a paper or we have to text it?
Beta, this thing you will keep as record also, no? So better if you have map with you, you can mark these areas on the map and then accordingly write and send it on the class group. Or keep
Okay,
it
ma'am.
keep it with you and collectively you send whatever you feel is more comfortable, do according to that. Right?
Yes,
Ma'am, can
ma'am.
we just write name on a paper and then send?
हाँ ऐसा कर लो, बट मैप भी आपको करना होगा नोटबुक में, ठीक है? दिस इज फॉर द क्लाइमेट नेशनल वेजिटेशन चैप्टर.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके. या अच्छा एक मिनट सुनो, अभी मत करो, अभी अच्छी लेके. हैव यू स्टार्टेड?
No, ma'am.
तो एक काम करते हैं,
Ma'am,
Yes,
no.
ma'am.
ये थोड़ा सा वो हो जाएगा. लेट अस डू एमसीक्यूज एंड पिक्चर बेस्ड स्टडी, ठीक है? पहले वो कर लेते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, do we have to note it down in our fair notebook?
वो आप कर लोगे तो ज्यादा सही रहेगा. नहीं अभी मत करो, ये रिकॉर्डिंग से कभी भी आप देख लेना, ठीक है? दीज आर द एमसीक्यूज, इनके आंसर्स आप करो.
Ma'am, you have to send the answers in the group.
हाँ, you have to send the answers on the group.
Okay, ma'am.
First you do the MCQs up till 6 and then send. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
No cheating, please do it fairly.
Ma'am, can you please zoom it?
Zoom.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, unable to see the sixth one.
No, ma'am.
Shall I scroll till question number 2 if you are done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please scroll up a bit.
Ma'am, do we have to do the picture based questions as well?
Yes, beta, you have to.
Ma'am, send the
Can
certificate.
you please can you please scroll up? Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, send.
Ma'am, we have to do short question answers also.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, send the answer for MCQ. Ma'am, could you please tell what is in the picture B1?
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा बोलिए।
Ma'am, do we have to do short question answers
नहीं नहीं
also?
बेटा, दिव्यांश मना करा, नहीं करने नहीं करने।
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, send the solutions on the group.
सॉल्यूशंस अभी रुक के
Ma'am,
भेज।
send the solution.
नहीं अभी और भी है, अभी और भी है, वो भी कर ले,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Ma'am, please discuss the answers.
चलो चलो पहले आंसर डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, ठीक है, ऐसा करते हैं। ओके Taran, first answer. Read out the statements.
To which one of the following types of vegetation does Asia belongs?
Acacia
Thorn
belongs.
and scrub.
Oh,
Thorn and scrub.
Thorn and scrub. Okay. Sanidhya, second one.
People trees are found in the areas of annual rainfall between. Ma'am, answer is
Answer is 70 to 100 centimeters. ठीक है. Paurush, next.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, ma'am. In which of the following states is the Pachmari Bioreserve located? Ma'am, option C, Madhya Pradesh.
Ah, very good. Abhi, fourth one.
In which of the following state is Panchmari Bioreserve located?
Done. This is done. Fourth one you have to tell.
Acha, fourth one. Dachingam in Jammu and Kashmir is a national park. Option A.
Okay, very good. Next, Divyansh.
Yes, ma'am. Which one of the following type of forest is not found in Ganga Brahmaputra Delta? Mangrove.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the answer is correct.
Is found in the, ठीक है, mangrove is correct. Next, Rudransh is there in the class? No. Shivansh,
Yes, ma'am.
tell. Sixth one.
Virgin vegetation is different from the vegetation we find in the school campus because virgin vegetation are areas not entered by human beings.
Ah, very
Ma'am,
good.
why not B?
ma'am because ma'am we can have indigenous and endemic plants.
नहीं वो बात सही है, पर ये पूछ रहे हैं ना कि why the vegetation is different from the one that you do. Just a second, let me go through the options there. हाँ ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है.
Ma'am, Dachigam
B.
is located where, ma'am?
बेटा Dachingam is in Jammu and Kashmir. वैसे बेटा इस वाले का B appropriate है. Sixth का B is more appropriate than the C1.
Yes, ma'am, I've written that only.
हाँ, B is more
Me too,
appropriate.
ma'am.
ठीक है? B is more appropriate.
Ma'am, C में क्या गलत है?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ?
Ma'am, C में क्या गलत है?
भी गलत नहीं है, बट अगर हम उसकी डेफिनेशन के अकॉर्डिंग जाते हैं तो B ज्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट है ना? नहीं बेटा
मैम इसमें मैम इसमें डिफरेंट पूछा है।
बेटा इसका सी होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कह रहा है द वर्जिन वेजिटेशन कंटेन्स दोज प्लांट्स। हम ये थोड़ी पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या कंटेन करता है वर्जिन वेजिटेशन। सी इज द करेक्ट
यस
ऑप्शन।
मैम।
ठीक है, सी इज द करेक्ट
Yes,
ऑप्शन, नॉट द बी वन।
यस
तो सी के साथ जाएंगे हम। हाँ, वी विल गो विद सी। नाउ व्हिच टाइप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट इज सीन इन दिस पिक्चर? अनुष्का?
मैम ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन।
ओके, ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन। चलिए, और ये बताइए सेकंड वन, व्हिच बर्ड्स आर
Vultures. Ma'am, vulture.
Ma'am, vulture.
वेरी गुड, ऑल हैव डन,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
वेरी गुड।
नाउ नेक्स्ट।
Now the next one. This is a crossword puzzle, right? You will not do the first one, start from the fourth one across. Found in moist, हम एक साथ साथ आंसर्स भी करते हुए चलते हैं, ठीक है बेटा इसके? हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
we'll save on time. चलिए, first one. Can we have?
Ma'am, may I?
चलो ठीक है, तरन आप बताओ सेकंड वन, फोर्थ वन।
Found in moist deciduous forest, the wood of this tree has a distinctive smell. Sandalwood?
Very good. It is sandalwood. Very good. Next. Vyom Sharma, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth one.
An area designated by the government for being of scenic, environmental, or historical importance.
An area.
Ma'am, this was the fifth one.
What? Fifth one. What should be the answer? Vyom?
Ma'am, may I
Ma'am,
tell?
Vyom, let Vyom try. Vyom, do you know?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Uh-huh. Vyom?
No, ma'am, I'm unable to
Manjot?
find the answer.
Manjot, are you there? Taran, you know?
Ma'am, which one?
This fifth one.
National Park?
Yes, National Park is the correct answer. Very good. Pradyunsh, are you there?
Seventh one.
Seventh one, batao.
सेवेंथ वन।
Ma'am, mountain forest.
Read out the statement also, no?
Okay, ma'am. These forests are found in hilly area.
Mountain forests. Very good. Pradyunsh, are you there?
Ma'am, can I tell the seventh one?
Yes, Parush.
These forests are found in the hilly areas. Ma'am, coniferous forest.
No, mountain forest.
Ma'am, may I tell the eighth one?
May I tell the eighth one?
May I tell the eighth one?
1 minute.
Ma'am, may I tell that?
You need to tell your name also, no? Because I can't see.
Ma'am, Divyansh.
Ma'am, Shivendra.
Acha, let Shivendra try. Let Shivendra try, Jivansh, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Both moist and dry types of such forests exist, and the answer is deciduous forests.
Deciduous forest. Very good. 11th one, Jivansh.
One Mahotsav is celebrated at the start of the rainy season.
Very good. One Mahotsav is celebrated.
Ma'am, may I try the 12th one?
Yes, next one, 12th one.
A biosphere reserve is an area designated by UNESCO as a combination of terrestrial, coastal, or marine ecosystems.
What is it?
Ma'am, biosphere reserve.
Reserve. Very good. 13th one. Who is going to try?
Ma'am,
Yes.
this Gulf on the Tamil Nadu coast is a biosphere reserve, Gulf of Mannar.
Very good. Gulf of Mannar. Next one, 14th one.
Ma'am, may I?
Hmm? Let Shivendra try.
Ma'am, Parush is asking.
No, before Parush, who asked?
Ma'am,
Yes,
me and Vyom.
ma'am, it's Vyom.
Let Vyom answer.
Ma'am, the natural growth of this is termed as virgin vegetation.
Virgin vegetation. Very good. Aditya, do you want to try 15th one?
Ma'am, may I?
Let Aditya Yadav try.
Ma'am, may I?
Beta Aditya, he raised his hand. No, let him try.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Duration of sunlight in a day. Ma'am, 12 hours.
What?
Ma'am,
Duration
can I
of
see the
sunlight in a
15th
day.
one?
12 hours.
Duration of sunlight in a day is called as?
Ma'am, 12 hours.
No.
Ma'am, we have to.
Ma'am, can I see?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, photo period.
It is photo period.
Yes, ma'am, photo period.
It is the photo period. Very good. Was this Aradhe?
Ma'am, someone answered before me.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Chalo. Down, second one. Radhe.
An area specially designated where it is illegal to interfere with the natural life. Ma'am,
Illegal.
biosphere reserve.
It is illegal. It is
Ma'am,
no, not biosphere.
biosphere reserve.
Nahin,
Ma'am, may I tell?
Biosphere.
Wildlife sanctuary.
it is
Ma'am,
a
wildlife sanctuary.
it is a century. Very good. Very
Sanctuary.
good. Century.
Ma'am, can I see the third one?
Third one, batao.
Ma'am, this biosphere reserve in Meghalaya was added to the worldwide network in 2009. Nokrek Biosphere.
Okay, Nokrek biosphere. Very good. Fourth one down.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Taran.
Sal.
Yes, the wood of this tree found in moist deciduous forest is used for making window frames. Sal. Then sixth one.
Ma'am, may I try?
Yes, Parush.
Ma'am, Divyansh.
Sorry. Batao.
The wild form of this animal is found in thorn forest and scrubs.
Batao.
Ma'am, wild
Fox.
ass.
Wild ass. Very good.
Ma'am, there can be many animals.
Ma'am, animal with 3 letters. Fox.
But it is ass.
Yes, ma'am, ass.
Ass. Okay, ninth one. Anyone who wants to try? Anyone?
Ma'am,
Antelope.
may I tell?
Yes, Parush?
Ma'am, Tibetan antelope.
नहीं बेटा variety of mountain goat पूछ रहा है वो. Antelope.
Lamb.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
stag.
Kashmir stag.
It is
I'm a
Stag.
stag.
ibex नहीं होगा इसका. As per the book, no.
Yes, ma'am.
It is ibis only. ठीक है. हाँ, mountain goat को कहते हैं ना.
Okay, ma'am.
10th one.
Mountain goat.
कहाँ पे? ना. These animals graze in a high altitude grasslands. High altitude. Antelope नहीं, sheep.
Bison.
Sheep.
Ma'am, oxys and Nathan.
नहीं.
Ma'am, panda.
These animals graze in high altitude grasslands. Sheep दिया हुआ है
Ma'am,
ना?
bison.
हाँ, as per
In temperate grasslands.
But here it is written these.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो
Ma'am, I
तभी
think we have to tell the type of animal.
तो sheep दिया गया है.
मैम पांडास भी तो हो सकता है
Ma'am,
मैम।
if it would have been sheep, there would have mentioned the.
नहीं, sheep तो plural अपने आप में होता है ना,
मैम
sheep
पांडा is मैम bamboo.
नहीं, it is sheep only. ठीक है?
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बेटा.
ma'am, can you please tell the fifth one?
Fifth down, cross.
Yes, ma'am, cross one. Across one.
Fifth across is आपका national park.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
हाँ. Now coming to the next one. चलिए, this is a map. There are 3 places highlighted over here, right? You have to identify. A is a type of forest. Second is a wildlife sanctuary, and third is a national park. Take time and give the answer.
Ma'am, third one is Gir.
Ma'am third one is Gir ma'am.
Huh?
First one is
Ma'am,
Sundarban.
Third one is Gir
And
ma'am.
the third one is Gir.
And the first one is Sundarban.
Wait a minute. First one is they are saying that it is a type of forest, है ना? तो सुंदरबंस. ये मैनग्रोव नहीं होगा?
Yes, ma'am. Mangrove.
Yes, ma'am. Mangrove
Mangrove.
forest. Sundarban
Third
में
one is
mangrove ही
Gir
होते हैं.
ma'am. Third is Gir sanctuary.
Very good.
Ma'am, third Gir.
Second is
Mudumalal
Ma'am,
Wildlife
Mudumalai.
Sanctuary.
Mudumalai.
आपके?
हाँ. Second is Mudumalai.
Ma'am, third is Gir.
Ma'am, Gir.
Ma'am, third is Gir.
I'm Gir.
Third is a what? Wait.
Ma'am, Gir.
A
Ma'am
national.
Ma'am Gir wildlife sanctuary.
पक्का गिरी है?
Ma'am, national park.
National Park.
गिर national park.
Ma'am no, ma'am it's a wildlife sanctuary ma'am. Gir.
Huh?
Ma'am, Gir is a national
Gir is
park.
a
It is
national park.
given in the book.
No
Gir
ma'am
ma'am,
it's a
It
wildlife
is given in the book.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Gir is a
it is given in book
Ma'am.
that Gir is a national park.
ma'am.
Then we'll go
Yes,
with
ma'am.
Gir only, right?
Ma'am, but
Yes.
ma'am, but in this area, ma'am, it can be Kutch also, and ma'am, Kutch is a botanical garden.
Kutch is a botanical garden. नहीं Kutch नहीं होगा बेटा यहाँ पे. गिरी है ये जो जहाँ पे ये लोकेशन है ना वो गिर नेशनल पार्क का लोकेशन है.
मैम
Yes, ma'am,
कच्छ
it
और
is.
भुज में वेजिटेशन ही नहीं है.
वही तो वो एरियाज ड्राई वाले हैं ना.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम लेकिन गिर को तो मैम वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी भी बोलते हैं.
किनको?
मैम गिर को मैम.
मैं पर टेक्निकली तो वही कहते हैं.
हाँ?
मैम
मैम
टेक्निकली
गिर को तो
नेशनल.
वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी कहते हैं मैम.
हाँ अरे कोई वो नहीं गिर नेशनल पार्क है बस हमें इतना पता है ना. और ये गिर नेशनल पार्क को इन्होंने हाईलाइट करा हुआ है यहाँ पे. ठीक है. नेशनल पार्क ही तो पूछा है ना इन लोगों ने.
यस मैम.
और मुडुमलाई हमारी वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी है ही.
यस मैम.
ठीक है. चलिए अब नेक्स्ट है आपका वन मोर इज लेफ्ट. हाँ ये कह रहा है आइडेंटिफाई एंड लेबल द टाइप ऑफ वेजिटेशन मार्क्ड ऑन द पॉलिटिकल मैप ऑफ इंडिया. बस आप ए वाला करो बी वाला नहीं करोगे. ठीक है. ए वाला ही बता दो केवल क्या है ये.
मैम माउंटेन फॉरेस्ट.
Ma'am,
Mountain.
Ma'am, mountain.
माउंटेन फॉरेस्ट. ठीक है. चलिए आई थिंक दिस मच इज sufficient for today, right?
Yes ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो rest. If Monday we have online class, we accordingly will plan, right?
Okay ma'am.
And I
Okay,
think
ma'am.
with C section some of the flowcharts are left. We'll be doing it with section B, the natural vegetation flowchart. Have we done or not?
No ma'am.
No. So if Monday we have online class, we'll go with the flowcharts, right? Then with A section, we are done with the flowcharts of all the chapters. We'll continue with the question answers or the revision worksheets we'll have, right?
Ma'am, Ma'am, if we are making the flowchart of natural vegetation, so ma'am, do we have to make the notes also?
Yeah, of course, beta notes mein you will be writing the details. No details are required. That is why I told you to make notes out of that topics which are there, natural vegetation wala. Because when you'll make notes, you will be able to relate, like questions, multiple questions you'll be able to answer. Right?
Oh,
हाँ. चलिए meeting is going to end any minute. See you all on Monday.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
thank you, ma'am, and Happy New Year, ma'am.
Happy New Year to you all in advance.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Thank you.
In
very much.
advance.
God bless
Happy New
you.
Year, ma'am. Thank you.
God bless you all. Chaliye, see you all in the new year then, okay?